Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I make my butter chicken curry. It is a tiny bit of a hack because I don't make the sauce from scratch. I use the lovely Pataks sauce. So super simple. I've already pre-cut my chicken, my onion, and already half boiled my potatoes, and I'll be turning on here. I'll be sauteing my onions and adding the chicken until they are nice and cooked through before I start adding any of the potatoes or any of the sauce. So I hope you enjoy. So this is just one whole onion. Once they're finished sauteing, you can add your already cut up chicken. It's about 500 grams, is good for about 3 of us. Now that your chicken is actually cooked through, you can add your sauce. I always go and add a tiny bit of water. Make sure everything is nicely covered and bring it down to a simmer. And now this is your time when you can add all your already pre-cooked potatoes. I sometimes, if I have red peppers at home, I add them. Anything really. If you'd like to add some chilies, add them. And we're going to allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes just to make sure everything has soaked up. And I have actually pre-made this, so I've made it a couple hours before supper to have everything really nicely soaked in together, like a nice curry. So I hope you enjoy my nice little butter chicken curry hack. The Pataks also have some really nice other sauces, so if you ever need a very quick simple dish. And I'll be serving this with some rice that I'll be cooking fresh just before we eat. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy and stay tuned.